Welcome to Sir Parts Talks. Happy Mother's Day special. Happy Mother's Day kahit hindi ka nanay. Hello guys, today is May 10, 2026 and it's the second Sunday of the month of May and it's Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga nanay dyan at yung kahit hindi nanay na tumulong sa iyo. Okay, so maraming salamat po. Before our talk, let me thank um, all our subscribers who are very active and all our subscribers and also our paparts here in FB. Um, okay, so I'm gonna greet our friends today, those who are having their birthday. Ayan. Happy birthday kay Jul Ayan, Joseph Lorenda Balukan Manakpo, Cheng Cheng, Jerome Alonzo, Dean MT, Madal Gumba, Sahadat Melody. Yan, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Thank you din sa mga guys, mga nag-react sa ato ang post na atay post about pasalamat sa ato ang nadawat sa URC. Thank you very much for your reactions. Mga palike from Roldan Sabihon U, Juan Ibarli, Elsie Vicente Quaton, Dr. Dave E. Marshall, Paparts Andrew Dahilan, Brian Bantayanon, and Lee Ram. Thank you for your like and for the wow, Ninya Jane Del Rosario, dating estudyante natin na napaka talino. Ayan, at sa ating suki, thank you sa pag-comment, ating suki, Ronel Bambalan. Thank you very much sa patronage sa atong barley product. Malami daw iyang tulog sa pag-inom sa ato ang barley nga products. Maayo ang iyang feedback. And salamat sa pagpalit. O kang Sir Lorimer Soria Lagunero, atong paparts, member nato sa Team Best, sa iyahang tabang nato pag-introduce sa ato ang stock market. Ayan guys. So, and also daghang salamat sad sa mga comments o reactions sa ato ang post nga kana bitong na maligya ka unya dili ka kabalo unsa ang benepisyo sa imong gibaligya, pero smile ra kagyapon kay na marka man nga beauty. So pagwapa siya mo tatong giingon gahapon guys, ipangutan natin ni Auntie Subong. Shout out Auntie Subong din sa Changi. Salamat sa palove ni Joanny Barley, Angela Igtos, Patricia Tuturan, Alshire Kiran, and Paparts Anita Gualki sa USA. Og sa palay kay ato ang Captain Dancer, Dr. Dave E. Marshall. Ayan. At ano pa? Sino pa? I-greet natin, pa shout out. Si Everett Paler. Ayan guys, Everett Alita Paler sa ato ang pa-comments, sa ato ang post nga kabahin sa picture natin butang ito, formal education may give you a living but self-education gives you the power to create your own future. Ato anang hinimo nga kuan guys, nga quote nga nagaingon nga kanang kuan ng eskwela kag formal siya ng eskwela elementary, high school, college, tapos mahimo kadayon nga kuan na kay pamuyuan. Pero kung gusto ka nga mahimong kuan kana makahimo kag imong kaugalingon jud nga gusto nga himuon, mo na gitawag og self education, kanang ikaw may nagbuot-buot ra sa pagtuon. Sige, so salamat kinsa ang managlab, daghang kay naglab. Shout out ninyo sa managlab: Dines Imub Jacinto, Yatan Tusaba, Kumini Mindoon, Debbie Moras, silingan nato. So kisa Barley, Baby Moras, JC James Binetes, di nato mabasan imong ngalan kay murag kuan man ni sa Saudi Arabia, Arabic. Mary Jane Moras Bambalan, Nordria Dasid, John Lloyd Bautista, Jeremy Aranya, Alsrin Kiran, Anita Gualpi, na po Chinainis, di ta kailan ninyo, sorry. Analisa Camota, Ervin Tihidor Nerkit, Auntie Manor, Bicalio sa USA, Chari, Jamir, Poyax, Borgonyos, kumusta ka na Poyax? Jane Betty, and two more. Kisam nin two more. Then sa atong mga palike, Marma Bari, atong suki diya sa Changi, Ninang Idiltruda Donaire Ibarzabal, Nene Bulanon, Paparts Nene, suki nat sa Changi, Coffee Mapin, Scorbita, Everett Alita Paler, member sa Team Best, Jubilin sa Avedra Albios, Paparts Bill Brian Paler Deloria, Gilbert Aragonis Hinayon, nagtapad dyan mundo ha mga amigo. Geraldo Duran, Engineer Geraldo Duran, Ringo Zeran Avenvels, Troy Silasco, Paolo Romeo, Papa Efren Partosa, and the Billionaires. Og sa pa Care, na nag-care, Nida, Jimlano, Abdul Haman, City, Mariam Inasil, Yana Cases Villag. Yan, thank you very much. Og sa pa-comment, na nag-comment. Okay, maraming salamat. Absolutely correct. Ningon si Ninang Idiltruda Donaire Ibarzabal. I-comment po ninyo guys atong mga video og mga kuan para nata interactions. Dako nagtabang diri sa ato ang as content creator. Then inyo pong makitaan guys na ata din ay kuan. Sadap na atay Paymaya og GCash kung gusto mo matag 1 peso kay nalipay mo sa mga video nakatabang ninyo. Pwede kay dawaton kay nato na guys. Then shout out pod kay kinsa ni Jerry Alas og Lia Celestial. Thank you very much sa inyong suporta diri sa Sir Parts sa ato ang Christian Win Partosa. Hangyo pug ko nga kuan kanang ang si tawag ani adto pod ninyo ato ang YouTube channel, atong YouTube channel Sir Parts para kuan kanang si tawag ana makasubscribe pud mo dito. Naay 11,000 ka videos dito plus ka videos nga atong nahimo sukad sa pila ka tuig. Dagan atong videos, mas dagan pa atong videos kaysa atong subscriber guys. Sige, magpadayon ta diri sa atong talk. Happy Mother's Day kahit hindi ka nanay. A humorous talk with heart. Ayan, good day everyone. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa lahat ng Pilipino at sa buong tao sa buong mundo. Ayan, today we celebrate one of the most powerful titles on earth, Mother. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. But let's be honest, Mother's Day is not only for mothers. Today is also for the 8 who raised the younger siblings. The ate pala. The 8. Ate man, ate. The 8. The ate who raised the younger siblings. The teacher who scolds you like a mother. The boss who reminds you deadline na. The barangay captain who knows all your problems. And especially the friend who always says, kumain ka na ba? Because if someone says, kumain ka na ba, that person already has mother potential. The funny truth about mothers, you know, you have a Filipino mother when you are sick, she becomes doctor. Anak, uminom ka ng salabat. When you are lazy, she becomes general. Bangon, hindi ito hotel. When you have no money, she becomes ATM. Ma, may project kami. Project? Hola kwacha. And when you make a mistake, suddenly, she becomes CIA plus FBI combined. You didn't even explain yet, but she already knows the whole story. Anak, umamin ka na. Ma, paano mo nalaman? Mothers know everything. The history of Mother's Day. But did you know Mother's Day has an interesting history? The modern celebration started because of a woman named Anna Jarvis in the United States. In 1908, she organized a memorial to honor her mother who worked to care for wounded soldiers and help communities. Because of her effort, Mother's Day became an official celebration in 1914. The purpose was simple: to honor the sacrifice, love, and influence of mothers. Ironically, Later in life, Anna Jarvis became upset because the celebration became too commercial. She didn't want people to just buy flowers. She wanted people to truly appreciate their mothers. So today, if you give flowers, make sure you also give love, respect, and time. Because mothers don't only want flowers, they want obedient children. But sometimes that is harder to find than flowers. Mothers are everyday heroes. A mother's job description is impossible. She is chef, teacher, doctor, driver, counselor, accountant, motivational speaker, security guard, and sometimes human alarm clock. Mama, 5 minutes more. 5 minutes mo, naging 2 hours na. And mothers do all that without salary. If mothers were paid for all their work, the Department of Labor would say, sorry, we cannot afford mothers. Mothers in the Bible. The Bible also honors mothers. In Proverbs chapter 31, verse 25, she clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. That is the description of a strong mother, not just beautiful, not just hardworking, but strong in faith, strong in love, and strong in character. Another verse says in Proverbs chapter 31, verse 28, her children arise and call her blessed, meaning the greatest reward of a mother is not money. It is seeing her children succeed in life. To those who act like mothers, and today, we also honor those who are not biological mothers but act like mothers. The teachers who guide students, the leaders who mentor people, the friends who encourage others, the network leaders who believe in your potential. Because sometimes the person who pushes you to grow is like a mother in your life journey. They correct you, they guide you, they believe in you when you don't believe in yourself. A lesson from mothers. One thing mothers teach us is this: never give up on your children, even if they fail, even if they make mistakes, even if they start late in life. A mother will always say, anak, kaya mo yan. And sometimes, the greatest thing someone can say to you is, kaya mo yan. Because one sentence can change a life. You see, many people today are struggling. Some are tired, some are looking for opportunities, some are praying for financial breakthrough. Just like a mother who wants a better life for her family. That is why many people today are exploring better opportunities, not just jobs, but communities that help people grow. Communities where people encourage each other, where people build dreams together, where people say, hindi ka nag-iisa. And that exactly the spirit of Team Best. Best means helping people become their better, empowered, successful, and transformed lives. Just like a mother encourages her children, Team Best encourages people to grow, learn, and create opportunities together. So today, let us honor mothers not only with flowers, let us honor them by working hard, becoming responsible, helping others succeed, and building a better future for our families. Because the greatest gift we can give our mothers is this: a life well lived. I'll repeat, a life well lived. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers and to all those who love like a mother. And if you're someone who wants to grow, learn, and be part of a community that supports dreams, you are welcome to explore and learn more about Team Best. Because sometimes the opportunity you are looking for is just one decision away. Thank you, and once again, Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all of us.